Oh man, didn't shave.
No.
Oh. Really? Okay. Hello there, everybody. Brandon here with another fishing cooking recipe. So this one's an easy one. So this is a
Salmon spring roll.
Okay. What? I don't like that light. Oh, not this one. Okay.
No, you're behind the light there.
Okay. Okay, ready, Sam? That light in the back is kind of ruining everything. Okay, maybe you go this way. There you go. Hello there, everybody. Brandon here with another fishing recipe for you. Today we're going to be doing a fried spring roll recipe, salmon scraping fried.
Salmon spring roll.
Okay.
All you have to do is salmon spring
Okay,
roll.
alright.
Fresh people.
Hello there, everybody. Brandon here with another fishing cooking video for you. Today is a simple one. It is a salmon spring roll recipe. So today is a little bit particular. We saved some of those scrapings through a few trips, and we have enough to finally make a recipe. So we're aiming to make our Lumpiang Shanghai spring roll. So that's basically a Filipino spring roll, and super delicious. Usually made with ground pork, but today we're going to be using our salmon scrapings. So here it is. So that's what we accumulated. So it's a mix of that chum, spring, and some coho. And then we have a few recipes on hand. A few ingredients on hand. What do we got there, babe?
So we have yellow onions, just
Okay.
one medium one. Green onions,
Okay.
2 eggs, garlic.
How many garlics we
I
got in
think
there?
there's like
Half a.
no full head on that.
Okay, full head.
Yeah,
Okay.
Carrots
Okay.
and some cilantro.
Cilantro. And how about the side? What do we got here
I'm
for the
gonna use
side?
black pepper, some less sodium soy sauce,
Okay.
just for coloring and a little bit of taste, and our fish sauce.
Okay, we have fish sauce.
Yes.
Okay, and then you got our measuring spoons right there. Okay, and then we also have this blender. So we can find our magic bullet. So we're gonna use our blender. So hopefully it's gonna work. We're gonna go blend this up. And this has already been deboned. So this is just scrapings from the leftover. So I think we have about 1.5 pounds here. Oh, also we'll be using some of this spring roll wrappers. So there's 50 in a pack. It's a 400 gram. It is spring home. So my daughter has already, so we defrosted that, usually kept in the fridge, and we separated one by one just to make it easy. Okay, so what's the strategy you're doing here, babe?
Mashing it together.
Mashing it up. Okay, let's mash it up. Put it all in there.
That's good.
Okay, more mashy goodness. So where did you get this recipe, babe?
It's in my head.
Shanghai recipe definitely is a
My mom's.
Filipino staple.
Yeah. I got the recipe from my mom.
There you go. Does anybody still use a blender nowadays? Okay, so there it is. That's what it looks like. Consistency is now into paste. Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit of that. Okay, so that's what it looks like, guys, when it's all shredded up. Okay, next we are gonna be chopping up some
Green onions.
green onions. Okay, that green onion is smelling pretty good.
Remember, it's okay. It's all gonna get mixed in together.
Yeah, all good. Okay, next we have
Cilantro.
cilantro. Okay, babe, what's next? What are you doing here?
So we're gonna mix everything all together.
Okay.
We're waiting for our helper.
Okay, we're waiting for a helper. Okay, we got our helper that just won't stop bugging us to help, which is a good thing. Okay, we got our little helper, Chef Sam. Okay, so what are we doing?
So, for this purpose of this video,
Okay, for the purpose of the video, we're gonna be finally measuring something. I've been bugging her to measure stuff. So let's go. So now that we got our stuff ready, we got, what are you gonna put in there?
we're gonna try and put in a cup of carrots and see.
Okay, we got a 1 cup of carrots in so far. Let's see. She does kind of a medley of stuff, so. Okay. Go ahead. Okay, 1 cup of carrots. Next.
What do you think? Do you think that's enough?
Okay.
Put some more.
Okay, put some more then.
Put some more.
Okay, 2nd cup of carrots. Because once you put it in there, you won't be able to get it out.
Yeah. And plus carrots, you know, it's...
Besides, you know, there's nothing wrong with more vegetables.
It's good for you.
Okay, so 2nd cup of carrots in. Boom.
There you go.
Okay, next. So now we have our fistful of cilantro. Next, we have our 1 medium onion.
Yes.
Chopped, diced up.
All in.
All in. Okay, there you go. Starting to look good now. Okay, now we have our 3 green onions. Okay. Starting to look good, guys. Okay, so now I'm going to be putting our garlic in there. It's easy, we got a garlic crusher. Okay, let's get that garlic crusher in there. Okay, so we're gonna be putting a whole bulb of garlic in here, guys. Peeled garlic. That's a nifty little tool, eh? The dollar store has the best stuff. Sometimes.
So far, this one's pretty sturdy.
Yeah, so far that one works really well. So there's that medley, guys. That medley's starting to look good. So we got our salmon in there, which has now been turned into paste by the blender. And we have our carrots, 2 cups of carrots. We have 1 diced onion. We have...
We like garlic, so just...
Yeah, we have 1 bulb of garlic that's being crushed as we speak. We have a fistful of cilantro. And then we're gonna be putting our egg next, right?
Yes.
Okay.
No, this the fish sauce, soy sauce.
Okay,
first.
fish sauce, soy sauce.
And pepper
So
before.
fish sauce, soy sauce, pepper, and then the egg will be last. It's starting to look good.
Can I step in for a little bit, Sam?
Yeah, let me try now.
Okay.
Okay, thanks for your help, Sam.
You can be on standby.
Yeah, you can be on standby. How about that? Okay, because
I just want to mix this.
yeah, let me do her thing. There you go. That's the pro. So there's that mixture, guys. The mixture's starting to come together now. Starting to look good, actually.
This time, at least we know how much we need for soy sauce and fish sauce and pepper.
Fish sauce. Just keep saying patis because that's the Filipino word for fish sauce. Right? So that's why she keeps saying patis, guys. So this right here, this is the fish sauce. It says patis right there. Patis fish sauce.
Yeah, patis.
This is a Filipino brand actually. And right here we have some less sodium, Lee Kum Ki, Lee Kum. There you go. We're gonna be using that.
We're a little bit healthy.
We're trying to be. So there you go. That color is starting to look real nice. Okay, half a teaspoon.
Yeah, start with that one, and I'll let you know.
Okay, so yeah, half a teaspoon. Okay, there's a half a
That should be
teaspoon.
good.
So that's more like the
There we
eighth of a cup. Yeah.
Yeah, this one just very little of this one.
Little fish
Probably
sauce.
Like a tablespoon of anything.
You can basically
Eyeball it.
eyeball that part, like that.
Yeah.
Okay, there it is. So this flavor right here, guys, this is adding a little bit of umami flavor to it. That fish sauce.
Is that what it is? Umami.
Yeah,
flavor.
that's kind of the fancy word for saying fishy. Fishy flavor.
Umami. Ooh, mommy.
From based on your experience, how many spring rolls will that make? Quite a few bags, right?
More than 50, I tell ya.
That's gonna be 50 right there, guys. Okay, so we're gonna double it up with the fish sauce.
Yeah, and a little.
So we got 1 tablespoon. So we're gonna. You want 2 tablespoons?
Sure. That's good.
I don't think you can really go too wrong with spring rolls because it's just a medley. What do I do with the 2 eggs?
You crack it there.
Okay, we just crack it on. Okay, so that's how you do it
Definitely not how you do it.
with less.
Yeah, there you go, Sam.
There you go. You have your helper right there. Okay, go ahead. Okay. Good job.
Now she cracked enough egg baking.
Okay, good job. The 2 eggs enough, eh?
That should be enough.
Okay, so there it is. And that's then usually you let it marinate for a little while.
Yeah, for like at least 30 minutes if anything.
Yeah, we're gonna do a little 30 minutes later right now. So you guys saw that. We cracked those 2 eggs in, and now we're gonna do a little hand mix, and we're gonna keep it in the fridge. What do you think?
Yep.
Okay, so we're gonna keep it in the fridge, and we'll catch up you guys in half an hour. Okay, so what do we have here?
That's just warm water.
So we got some warm water. Okay, so put it up as a diamond, it looks like.
Yeah.
So you get a teaspoonful, then you put it 3/4 down. Okay.
I like to fold it like this.
Okay, last fold. Then you're gonna take some of this water.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just wet the tip part of it. And just let it roll like that. There you go.
Okay, my turn. My turn. Okay, so I got a teaspoon, so something like that. You almost need another spoon to brush it off. Get it all out. Okay, and then you spread it out. Okay. Okay, so I'll put this down, I guess. So I just roll it. And then you fold it like this. Okay, then she folds it a couple times. Then I noticed she folded it one more time.
Mom, is this a good
A teaspoon. That looks like a lot. Okay, and then she folded it all the way. At this rate, it's gonna take us all night to do this.
Mom, is this Mom, is this too much?
Okay, so there it is, guys. My first roll.
Mom, is this too
Spring roll.
much? Is this too much?
Now let's put on a show and keep rolling.
Roll
Okay.
it down.
So let's get like maybe how much should we try? Maybe do 6,
Yeah.
and then we'll give it a taste test. See if we have to add anything else in the recipe. Oh, you can get really fast at this if you.
Yeah, you get really fast until you get tired.
Not when you got this many hands.
You gotta see.
Not when you get this many hands involved. Okay. Alright, spring rolls are looking good. So there you go. We have 2, 4, 5 spring rolls. So I'm gonna get the fryer ready, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that. Put the pot. Get some oil. Let's put it on 8. Then we can lower the heat once it's nice and warm. Okay, let's try it. Okay, let's check out this sauce. This is the sauce we like to use, a sweet chili sauce for chicken, a Roy D. So let's check that out. Okay, that looks good. So we got about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. We got about 15 right there. We rolled up in about 5 minutes. So let's see how this goes. So how do we know it's ready, babe?
It's golden brown.
There you go, golden brown. You know, they call me golden brown sometimes. When I'm walking around the beach. Alright, let's try and garnish this up. So we got this little half cutting board. Just so happens it was a real cutting board and it broke. So we're left with half. So I've got some cilantro for garnish, that's all I got. So we got 4 to try out. 4 spring rolls. So that's what it looks like, guys. That's what it looks like, guys. You see that? How about some of that sauce? Mmm. Tastes pretty good to me. It's very hot. Well, did you know that's made out of fish?
I don't taste it.
Does it taste good?
Yeah.
Sammy, you try it.
It's so hot.
How is it?
Go ahead, babe. Give it a shot.
Try with sauce.
Not bad, eh?
I don't know what it tastes like.
It's actually yummy.
It's pretty good. I gotta say, it's pretty good. There it is, guys. Look at that sauce on top. Chili sauce. Mmm. Let's keep it rolling. That's what I'm thinking. Mmm. I could eat that all day.
This is yummy.
It's really good. That's pretty good, guys. Pretty good. Mmm. I like that little bit of cilantro on it. Just like that. Mmm. Oh, nice. Wow, it's really good. Oh, hot. Love that little cilantro. We're gonna save some of it too, right? We're gonna put it in the freezer. So that's another good reason, guys. You can put some in the freezer because you can actually freeze it. So what it turns out to be is something like this. So it's made out of pork. So you can just pull it out and break it up, put it in your air fryer or your make a deep fry in oil, and make yourself little batches. So yeah, super yummy, guys. So how many do you put inside each?
20.
20? Okay, there it is. Put it in the freezer.